Sa book na to, makikita natin when it comes sa pag-secure at pag-iipon para sa ating future. Many people or good people fail. Even hardworking people fail. Mga matatalino, mga bata pa, even mga matatanda na, they fail sa kanilang pong savings. Hindi po nila nagawang i-secure. And even OFW, idagdag ko po, even teachers at mga professionals, engineers and doctors, marami ang nag-fail. Many income, pag-retire po nila, wala po silang savings. So, anong nangyari? These people don't sit out to fail. They do because failed po sila sa pagpaplano at hindi po nila na-manage ang kanilang personal finances nung kalakasan pa po nila. Why? What is the great reason kung bakit nangyari ito? Because they lack financial education. Why? Because in Philippines,